Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add a reading progress bar in WordPress, something like this. For that, we will need to log into the dashboard. We are already in, so we will be using a free plugin to add the reading progress bar. Go to the plugins and add a new plugin. Search for with the read. So this is the plugin, and this is the bar we will be adding. Anyway, install the plugin and activate the plugin. So the plugin has been activated. Click here for the settings. Now here you will find all the settings. So here you can select where you want to display the progress bar, whether it is posts, pages, or home pages. You can also select specific posts, for example, your blog posts or specific pages. Let's do it on the privacy pages. You can select the placements, top, bottom, or sides. Choose accordingly. So these are the basic settings. Recheck and save changes. Then go to styling. You can choose the thickness, color of the bar, background color, and there are other settings too. And save. So let's quickly check it. So if I scroll down, you can see the progress bar. Let me also open in incognito mode. So as we scroll, we will see the progress bar. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much.